We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 2-bedroom apartment 8C. Let's go on in. You can see that we're entering through the kitchen here on our left. It's a galley style kitchen, and it is one of the renovated or updated kitchens here in the building. These C-line apartments all have this renovated kitchen setup. So we have those newer cabinets, that nice refrigerator, that microwave, the dishwasher is under the sink, and you can see the stove and oven right over here as well. And we have cabinets and a couple of drawers. Right across from the kitchen is the bathroom. We'll take a look in there. That's that door right here. I've turned around. That blue door is where we just came in. Here's the bathroom. It's all the same in Collegetown Plaza for the bathrooms. In these 2-bedroom apartments, you have that tub shower. There's the sink and vanity that does open up underneath for additional storage. And we have a nice big mirror with a light overhead of the mirror, the toilet, the towel racks, and a cabinet on the wall for some smaller bathroom storage items. Let's go into the rest of the apartment and see the living room space. So in this C apartment, the living room is very separated from your kitchen. So the kitchen ends and we have a distinct separation from the living space. That is one of the differences between the C apartments and the other ones, the D and E. We have this model of apartment on floors 6, 7, 8, and 9 here in this 9-floor building. We're on floor 8. The living rooms will have the seating areas. You can see the sofa, the small chair, the tables, and we've got a dining table and chair over here. There's a TV mounted on the wall for your use here in the apartment. And you can see there's a living room air conditioner here under the window. We are looking up Dryden Road towards the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That red building directly in front of us is Collegetown Center. Let's take a look in the 2 bedrooms. Over here is bedroom 1. This is on the bathroom side of the building. That other door to the right is the bathroom. And let's go on in. I like this room here because this is a unique window setup that we have in this particular bedroom. We don't have this in many other units here in the building. So we have the separated windows. They both open up and down. So that's a unique window here in this C-line apartments in this particular bedroom. The furnishings will always be that full-size bed, desk and chair, dresser. We have over here, here's our closet, a good closet in this room. And then we have that nice tall bookshelf. It's always a good bookshelf. There's good furniture arrangement options in here. You can move things around a bit. All the bedroom doors will have their own individual deadbolt lock like this. So you can lock your bedroom doors as well as the deadbolt lock on your apartment door and the key tag to enter the building downstairs. Let's look over in bedroom 2. It's across on this side. This bedroom is closer to Dryden Road. So this is the best people watching. Let's go on in. Same furnishings. Full-size bed, bookshelf, dresser, desk and chair. Here you can see the closet is a little different. And we've got a double bar in this one. So slightly different closet setup in this room. Let's take a look out the window and look up Dryden Road for a minute. So again, Dryden Road, this is at the corner. You can see that street light there is the intersection with College Avenue. That is our main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood. From there, we're located just 1 block to campus, so you can see our great central location here in the Collegetown neighborhood, very close to campus. This is facing east, so this apartment gets great morning light, nice and bright, especially in the mornings. And again, here is bedroom 2. So we're located at 111 Dryden Road in Collegetown Plaza. This is a 9-floor elevator building. If you've watched the building overview video, you know that we have entered on floor 4 and come up from the 4th floor lobby up to floor 8. And that's a look at Collegetown Plaza 8C. We're a 2-bedroom apartment here in this building at Collegetown Plaza, 111 Dryden Road, right in central Collegetown.